Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up API keys on Binance. First, log into your Binance account. Once logged in, locate the API management section, usually found under your profile or security settings. It's crucial to understand that API keys grant external access to your account, so always proceed with caution and prioritize security. This initial step ensures you are in the correct place to begin the process safely and effectively. Next, you will generate your API key. Click the Create API button and provide a descriptive label for your key, like Trading Bot or Portfolio Tracker. Binance will then prompt you to complete security verification, which might include two-factor authentication. After successful verification, your API key and secret key will be displayed. It is vital to save both of these immediately, as the secret key is shown only once for security reasons. Now, let's configure the permissions for your new API key. Click Edit Restrictions next to your newly created key. By default, read-only access is often enabled, which allows data retrieval without trading capabilities. Carefully review and select additional permissions, such as Enable Spot and Margin Trading or Enable Futures, only if absolutely necessary for your application. Limiting permissions enhances your account's security significantly. Finally, enhance security by considering IP address restrictions. You can choose to restrict access to specific IP addresses, meaning only requests from those IPs will be honored. This is a highly recommended security measure. Once you have configured all desired permissions and IP restrictions, click Save. Your Binance API key is now set up and ready for use with your chosen third-party applications or trading bots, providing controlled access to your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.